joining zone director, ICICI Bank zonal director in Hyderabad, suppose that. 35 age, maybe you will be the full state zonal director of ICICI Bank, full state director. On 50 age, all India director. And you think salary, what will happen? Maybe when you will retire, that time your salary will be 1 crore minimum. I think now only retirement, Arundhati Bhattacharya may be retired. She is SBI All India Director, and she is from my district, my place. All India Director. Now only I think retired she is, before 2 years. So like that will happen when you will become more high level All India Director. You think your post, and what, you are from IIT, IIM, only one company. Our whatever politicians, they came, they gave different institutions. Just you go by competitive exam. And every bachelor student, they can make their life good. Middle class family, poor family, you go MSc do and go job. You see your life after that. Don't do PhD. Even suppose your family is strong, have you want to continue your job, then you go research, MSc plus PhD. If your MSc from IIT, your CGP is less than 9 have, less than equal to, means 8.8 to 9, then you will get PhD also direct without CSIR. Even you have to qualify CSIR for future assistant professor or anything. But they are offering, IIT Hyderabad before 2 years 9 CGP have, means direct PhD admission and 50,000 scholarship. They are offering like that. Depend on your CGP, they will offer. Come and take admission, this much scholarship. And do 5 years, 6 years your PhD from IIT again. Different banner you keep. MSc from suppose IIT Bombay, PhD from IIT Madras. MSc from IIT Hyderabad, PhD from IIT Bombay. Two banner keep. After PhD you think MSc itself IIT job you think, and after PhD from IIT, then you think what will happen with you? What will happen? You will be the brand of India. PhD from IIT, MSc from IIT, you see example here have. This boy you see, Harit, MSc from IIT Bombay, PhD from IIT Madras. He is now AI scientist in CAMS Taramani. So you will be the brand. He don't want education extra. For that, actually he don't like assistant professor job and all. So he don't want to go IIT again for professor or anything. But after that you job and you can become professor also in IIT and all. Sometimes they are asking in professor PDF one research paper, 2 research paper. So you give extra 1 year, 2 year. And PDF, don't think that PDF means time loss or anything. You will get too much scholarship compared to salary. About money, don't think. When you enter in competitive exam, about your money, about your parents' problem, don't think. During your PhD, during your PDF, during your job, automatic all money problems solved. Just you have to read. For money, no need to worry. For mother, father, no need to worry. They will get help, good help by your scholarship. So IIT JAM that much good. Their salary now, what I will tell, 40 lakh, 50 lakh, 30 lakh yearly, means 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh rupees monthly salary coming after PhD from IIT. And they are from here only. This boy, history, Harit boy. He's from Loyola College. 6 months in frustration, sitting like that with you, only your type. Every day he is crying, sir, how I will qualify or not. Even father also, means just you think, with father every week 2 times I am meeting, and with him every day I am meeting after class. After 5 o'clock, he will come my office and will cry, sir, I can qualify or not. I am not understanding this. I am not understanding that. Giving confidence. 6 months taken for making confident. After 6 months, I understood. Okay, now he is not fearing. Not ask. After 6 months, not came anybody, either father or he. My office. I saw that confident. He qualified all India rank, IIT JAM, I think 15 or 16 like that rank. After that, don't want to go from Tamil Nadu. Father fearing, mother fearing. I told, please, 2 years course. You do MSc from out of Tamil Nadu, other IIT. PhD you do from IIT Madras, I won't tell. Because PhD is the long gap. 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. So that much from other state, going, coming, parents will be in problem, worry, crying, tension. So okay, at least this 2 years adjust and go. I requested with Harit's father also. Father not allowing to go outside. No sir, child, this much distance. I told rank, at least keep value of rank. Rank 15 have. IIT Bombay offering. Why will go IIT Madras? Here rank is 400, 200, 300. Rank can get admission. Bombay is giving rank 1 to rank 50 only. Sometime rank 100 going. Other IITs are starting from rank 100. So at least this rank value give respect to this rank. After more requests, they told, father told, okay, no problem. He completed MSc from IIT Bombay, PhD from IIT Madras, suddenly completed everything. 10 years, no, he completed 5 to 6 years, 7 to 8 years he settled and direct job in CAMS Taramani as a scientist, AI scientist. When he called and informed, I am in my native place last year. So IIT will give good life. Either go by IIT JAM, go by CSIR, different life you will get. And for BSc student, this is a very good chance. 2 branded will happen. You are the brand hereafter. If one time 2 brand will come. IIT Bombay, IIT Madras. So your hard work must build success. So this is the profit for IIT JAM student, BSc student, bachelor student. Don't miss this chance in your life. Otherwise, really you will feel one day. If you are missing and going, leave it, don't want, or still somebody are missing only. Still somebody are in confusion, I will do or not. Why confusion? Arey, you have to read for hard work for 1 year. You are not reading for me. You are reading for your life. If some places, sometimes some students are thinking, this much explanation I am giving for my profit, nothing I have profit. I also more thing left in my life. I don't know more thing in my life. At least I did promise that upcoming whatever students have, whatever known have, I will try to maximum send it in IIT and all. This is the topic for IIT JAM student, mathematics especially, matrix, linear, real calculus. Actually in IIT JAM syllabus they will write real also, calculus also, both are same only. They will write separate names. So I also wrote like that, calculus, but real only, calculus everything. After real analysis, don't ask, sir, calculus when you will start. Real finished means calculus also finished. Group theory, modern algebra only group is there. I will teach everything for other exam, just like NBHM, TF, for other exam if you are writing, then ring field, everything you have to read. But group theory only for IIT JAM. Ordinary differential equation and integral equation. Before was vector calculus also there, but not now. Only integral calculus is there. Here equation how came? Integral calculus, right? This is maybe that CSI integral equation, I wrote integral equation. This is calculus, integral calculus. 1 minute. For IIT JAM student, for you all topics are very very important. For CSIR I told, just like linear is important, matrix, real, means weightage are there. Matrix, linear, real, more weightage are there. But for IIT JAM not like that. All papers are your equal weightage are there. Means every places 2 question, 3 question will come, means every places 2 will come. Not like that, that matrix, linear, real I am reading means I will pass IIT JAM, not like, you can't pass. Because equal number of question asking, from matrix maybe 5 question, from linear 5 question, from real 5 question, all section, 3 section will be here also. One minute. Okay. And for suppose anybody stats have stats, no anybody have stats I think. Anyhow, IIT JAM stat student, if suppose writing stat student also I will tell, maths also write, stats also write both. Sometime I am telling to maths student also write stats exam. Sometime you can qualify anyone, means you can enter IIT, means you can get maths also, stats also. Stat student also can get maths, maths student also can get stats. Anyhow qualify. So for stat students, 30% to 40% coming from these 5 papers. Remaining 60%, 70% from stats. But if this 30%, 40% you will focus, no, either math, stat student also maths will focus, means they can qualify. Without stats, they can qualify IIT JAM. Stats class also I am giving, but this is my guarantee from my maths itself, stats also you will qualify. And for JAM student, we have to read extra also, just like ring, field, complex, PD. This and all also have to read. For NBHM exam, TIFR exam, different exam we have to write. So for that, this and all will help. IIT JAM exam, you can see 3 section exam will happen, section A, section B, section C. In section A you will see single option, section B multiple option, section C numerical type, fill in the blanks. You have to write numerical NAT, numerical question there. In decimal form you have to write answer. 1 marks, 2 marks, everything available. Section A negative is there. Section B no negative, section C also I think no negative. Yeah, section B, section C no negative, section A will be negative. And just now I explained after IIT JAM what will happen, that only separate I am writing. This only. This is a very golden chance for every BSc students. You can get job, you can continue your PhD, you can become professor, scientist, every places. This is just for UPSC exam. Suppose in future you are writing UPSC exam and all. So UPSC exam also no need to fear. You can keep very easy way your optional paper, and no need to practice, no need to read separate. You can continue by your whatever syllabus reading for CSIR IIT JAM. You can continue. Some 2-3 papers are extra have that can read later also. Just like dynamics, statistics, like that. You can see paper. Paper 1, paper 2 exam will happen 250 marks, 250 marks. Everything same have. Vector calculus here adding have, dynamics, statistics, and analytical geometry, this only. Mechanic and fluid dynamics. 4-5 paper are included have. Remaining same paper all are. And in this no need to practice more and more. No need to think more, and just formula solution, university exam type. Here after this whatever have about we saw about our theories, class. Hereafter we will see for test series and all. What is our test series we are going to conduct. So test series will be topic wise, test series will come. Every Sunday will be test, 9 PM to 11 PM, 9 online test. Depend on topics, whatever topics we are reading, matrix, linear, real, whatever chapter we finished, till 3 chapter, till 4 chapters, we can write test. Everything online test. And whatever marks will come, 150 marks, 100 marks, topic wise depend on questions, marks will be there. After course complete, full test series will be there. Full test series also, two types full test series, just like FTS and STS. Both test series you have to maintain 70%, 75% minimum marks. Means your 145, 150 marks coming means you can expect your result confirm. Okay. For IIT JAM aspirants, for them also same, topic wise test series will be common for everybody. Either CSIR students, JAM students, common for everybody. But for full test series will be different. For IIT JAM, full test series will be different. For them, 10 full test series will be there, 5 special test series will be there. Every test series we want minimum 70%, 80% marks. Means out of 100, 70 marks you will maintain, then your result will be confirmed. IIT confirm. And whatever test series will happen, that is will start means one month test series going on. That much test series are there. Even I started some test series as a for offline test series also, for making extra strong in maths. You can get more and more knowledge by express by your maths by writing. Means sometimes I am seeing students thinking correctly but can't write, can't express their knowledge. So by offline test series I started, that is useful for your any type of exam, even ISI some exam happening for subjective and all, so that and all will help you. So that exam and all will come under dropper students exam. If you are writing not qualifying, so we can add offline test series and all. So you will get more knowledge and can qualify all types of exam. This is UPSC test series. UPSC test series will be everything offline test series. That will be the same weekly test series, full test series, everything offline test series, no online. This is just, I wrote here, whatever we did hard work last 10 years, 12 years, 13 years, 15 years, we got, by God bless, by student hard work, more number of results. More number of students are in our India, from Tamil Nadu, from other states. Even here came students from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, every place is coming, Kerala, all students are coming here, reading, and they are getting settlement. You can see this is our just KMS tree. Every places our students are there. Just now I explained about some students, somebody are bank journal director, somebody manager, somebody PDF doing from Beijing Institute, he is CAMS Taramani Chennai scientist. So these are only. And they are from you only. From same places, reading, hard work, doing, tension, pressure, crying, stress taking, and result giving. Don't think very easy way they qualified. They are very intelligent. No. Your type, they are getting frustration, tension, they are also thinking my time loss will go 1 year, 2 year they gave time, extra 1 year they gave time. Like that, more number of we send our students in IITs and all, different colleges. And more students are coming from other districts and are just like, you can see here, everything written up, from Tirunelveli coming, from other Kanyakumari, you are coming from different district like that. They are taking hostel, reading 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, hard work doing, result giving, then they are going. And every student, some history is there. Every student. Not getting by easy way. You can see this Maitri All India rank 26. After qualifying JRF, she gave extra 2 years for getting PhD in IIT. First year gave interview every places, but not selected any place. Again she waiting, and extra 1 year she gave time, and again she gave interview every places. Now she got selection more places. IIT Madras, IISER, more places she got. I told PhD do from IIT Madras itself. Why have to go other places? More time taking will happen 5 years, 6 years. Now she selected in IIT Madras. Just now recently result came before 10 days. So also she is BTech student or BE student, computer science. She qualified JRF in maths. Not mathematics student also you can't. So any type of students you come here, I can make your result. Either your math background, not math background, anything. We will teach you from basic to high level. You can get must. Even history students also can qualify CSR, JRF in maths. I can give guarantee. If you are ready for hard work, your result confirm. Next is MSc from Stella Maris. This what I will tell. This girl is different history. First time when she wrote exam, that time offline exam. Offline exam. They are giving that OMR sheet like that for CSIR. She wrote everything 3 hours. She forgot to put color and all. When last color doing, paper taken. That time itself she can qualify. 100 marks came for her after answer key. This much she did bad mistake, I will tell. Second time she qualified. This boy from Mysore, Karnataka, 89, he only selected in PhD IIST. He gave interview in differential equation. And that day only I understood I am also good in differential equation. I am only teaching differential equation, and that day only I understood I am good in differential equation. He told me, sir, whatever you are teaching, you taught me everything they asked in interview, everything from first to last. I was teaching, but that I got confident. Okay, differential is also good I am teaching. Till interview they are asking IIST, also usually everything same to same, nothing different. Whatever formula you gave, method, theories, whatever, everything I told. I told them your result confirm. So he got IIST, and really very proud this is. Our students in ISRO, they are doing PhD and all. For me this is very proud. And this girl, Harish Chandra Institute, that is also unique. She got more selection. IISER selection got, IIT Madras PhD. First when she qualified IIT JAM, she don't want to go from Tamil Nadu outside. Fear coming, mother, father fearing, other district, other state, what will happen, distance. But when she completed MSc from IIT Madras, she don't like after that. I don't want to live in Tamil Nadu. Mother, father fear, she don't want to talk parents. No, I don't want, I am going. And really, she went all India interviews and all by train, by flight, anything alone, without mother, father. That much IIT Madras learned her to fight with this country. Every place is IIT Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Bombay, Delhi, every places she went. Means 1 month, 2 months traveling by train only, you think. No home food. Today here interviewed, day after tomorrow there interview, 2 months, 3 months interview only she gave. She selection also got, she started also PhD. But she is not good topic, not good guide. So she is leaving. I told last one place settle hereafter. Means 1 year after that she left. Anytime IISER Baranpur, anytime IIT Gandhinagar, anytime IIT Madras, getting, but she don't like. Finally HRI she got, and she told, sir, here everything good have, even institute is very unique topic, atomic energy. Now she is doing PhD last 2 years there. So this and all I am feeling one achievement. When students are going alone, flying this country, flying this world alone, this is one achievement. You think when students don't want to go from your state, from your district, and now going, then you think this is achievement or not. So this achievement we made. You can believe this girl is online student, Lakshmi Priya. Online, no offline class. Online she taken class, online too much active, doubt class, anything, everything asking. She qualified by online. I am teaching everybody, but offline students are more active compared to online. But online student will be active means their result also will come must. Here offline student you won't read means I will scold you, but online student I can't tell you anything. So online students you live active by yourself, then only your result possible. Like that, everybody different history have. This girl you can see Saranya, CCSR third category qualified. You can't believe her marks is 99, general category, cut off 100. 1 mark she missed CSIR net. I told her, I gave more confidence, don't worry, CSIR PhD. That time new PhD third category came. She can tell first student. I told you will get must IIT. When government allowed, government is allowing your interview, you go and interview give. If your interview good going, then must you will get selected. Because your marks also not bad have. CSIR PhD third category cutoff will be 33%, 66 marks. But 66 marks PhD getting doubt have. But 99 marks you have. So by marks you will get selected. You are not just CSIR PhD qualified. You are near to NET or JRF. She is telling, no, sir, not possible. My friends are telling this, teachers are telling this. I told anybody anything telling. You are believing on me. No, believing, sir, to go and write. She got selection in Triple IT Kanchipuram, IIT Tirupati. I told IIT Tirupati you go. Triple IT don't go. Now she is PhD doing same scholarship 40,000 going. I told in between, but try to qualify NET or JRF. So CSIR PhD also we have result, proof. Somebody asking not possible to get, have possible. You make your possibility. Sometimes we are thinking, no, I am not getting job, I am not getting qualifying, I am not getting JRF, I am not getting this, I am not getting that. I am not getting this, this is my mistake. I have not making that qualities. Make your qualities by your hard work. You will get it, everything available here. Don't compare. Sometimes some students comparison doing by categories. Sometimes some students are thinking job not have, this not have, everything have. You have no qualities to collect that. Make qualities by your hard work. And you try every place and see, one day you will settle must. One day you will settle must. Very good type settlement will happen. You want without hard work settlement, how possible? So different students are here, different results they are giving by their hard work. Nothing is tough. Only tough when you are not reading. If you will read, everything easy. Make everything easy by your hard work. Otherwise everything tough without hard work. Compared to these exams and all, our life is very tough. One day you will, when you will get success or you will go no, and you will become an related life work, family work going, that time you will miss, my KMS is very good. My IT JAM preparation was very good. IT JAM tension is very good compared to this tension. My CSIR tension is very good compared to this. So first, delete from your mind heart, fear, all types of fear. I can do it, finish. So every result, some histories are there, every result. This only, hereafter, finish everything, whatever want to tell, I told about result, about syllabus, about test series, about classes. Anybody, anything, your doubt have, want to ask from your, then tell me, I will explain. Anything doubt have in your mind, related exam related, when whatever exam related, prepare